Here we learn how to draw the resultant graph given parametric equation graphs. So this first graph over here is actually x as a function of time. So the x coordinate is going to move according to this first graph over here. Here's your time. Here's x of t. So first we're going to plot those points on this chart over here. So when t is 0, starting here, the x value, which is given on this graph here, is 0. When t clicks forward to 1/2, right here, then it looks like we have 1 as the x value. Now, these are not xy coordinate system. This is t, and this is x of t as a function of t. Then when you arrive at 1, the x of t value is 2. By the time you arrive at 2, the x of t value is 2. When you arrive at 3, the x of t value is 0. When you arrive at 4, the x of t is 0. Simultaneously, as t was clicking off, the y's were being controlled also. When t started at 0, the y of t value was 0. When t clicked off to 1/2, the y value was still 0. When t clicked off to 1, the y value was still 0. When t clicked off to 2, the y of t value is 1. When t clicked off to 3, the y of t value was 1. When y went all the way to 4, the y value was back to 0. So now all we have to do is plot those points over here on the resultant graph that plots x against y. So 0, 0, that's when t is equal to 0. Then 1, 0, that's when t was equal to 1/2. I didn't fill in the rest of the fractions because I just wanted to give you the idea that the t is smoothly taking on all real values from 0 to 4. At t equal 1, the point was 2, 0. 2, 0, that's t equal 1. When t was equal to 2, all these have been checked off. 2, it went to 2, 1. That was t is equal to 2. Arrived there. When t clicked off to 3, the point it arrived at was 0, 1. That's here. So that's t equal 3. And then 0, 0 was the final destination at t equal 4. So the path went like this. It started off t equals 0 here, then it went to here, went up here, went across there, and here, in this order. It went this way, this way, this way, this way. The path direction is important. So you do get a rectangle as t clicks off from 0 to 4.